All right, y'all, we got somewhat of a newer classic for you guys. We got a 2000 Chevy Tahoe Z71 edition. Stay tuned. I'm gonna take you all around here, show you the good stuff. This thing is almost perfect. All right, let's get into it. So like I said, we got a 2000 Tahoe Z71 edition. As you can see, it's finished in that light pewter metallic. This thing is nearly flawless. Like I'm telling you, we're gonna go around this car and I'm gonna show every possible thing that I can, like I normally do. And I'm telling you, this thing is almost flawless, from the paint to the body work, underneath, everything. So as you see, we're already moving down the sides. I couldn't find a ding, a scratch, or anything on these doors. I'm gonna move back. Glass is solid, no cracks or anything like that. Looking down the side, again, she appears to be nice and straight. All the body cladding is solid as well. No cracks there, no pulling apart or anything. Got the barn doors. Again, just almost immaculate in every single way. Bumper solid, nice and straight, no cracks, no dents. And then coming down the driver's side, again, I didn't see any big scratches that needed to be pointed out. I have no dips, dents. We got a couple little minor scratches that I'm about 2 inches away now. You still probably can't see. There we go. So they are extremely light. Of course, the lighter color helps hide them as well, but that's how close you got to get to see any type of imperfections on here. Windshield is solid. We have no cracks, no rock chips. Roof is nice and clean as well. Still got the OG luggage rack attached. Coming across the hood, hood's in excellent shape. The gap still looks solid. All the paint is good on there. Got a little bit of a like a rub mark here. Maybe back in the day something scratched it and they filled it in with paint, but again, very unnoticeable. Bumper looks excellent, no cracks or anything. Obviously we got the brush guard protecting it. Super clean, and brush guard looks clean too, not rusted out. So just as beautiful as the exterior is, so is the interior as well. Let me just open up everything. So inside, this is just like a little cover, just for things. But back is super clean. It's got a little somewhat of a custom sound system. I think this is super dope. I don't want to lift it up. I don't remember. It's like it's a 10 or a 12. I don't remember. But it's a sub in there. But it's blended in beautifully, so you can still put stuff on top of it. Doors are super clean. One thing that I would point out, if you can see here, this little plastic is cracked right here. And judging by the fact that it's dyno matted and it's got that sub, I would assume maybe it came from the sounds, but that was the only possible negative I can point out on the interior. Inside seats are beautiful. No rips, no tears, no stains. Carpet and the original mats are in excellent condition. No cigarette burns, no dog hair, anything like that. And then checking out the headliner on the way back, no sagging, no stains, and as you can see, the lights work as well. Passenger door panel, no warping, no stains. Grab this passenger side, more of the same. Super clean. Carpet looks amazing, mats look amazing, and there's your passenger seat. Got your normal wear patterns, nothing crazy, but again, no busting at the seams or anything like that. Center console is still in excellent shape, no warping of the lid. And then this dash, beautiful condition. Let me get on the other side. Driver rear, solid, no cracks, no stains. And then you guys could already see the seat from earlier, so. Driver panel just the same as the others. Driver seat will obviously have a little more wear than the others, but again, no splits at the seams, no cracks, and the color is beautiful. We have no stains. Mileage reads 80,972. And everything works, which you'll see once we go on the test drive. Really didn't have to pop the hood. Obviously, you guys know everything is working underneath, but still gonna go ahead and show. Power brakes, power steering, AC blows ice cold, and relatively clean underneath. So stay tuned. All right, y'all, we get ready for the test drive in the Tahoe. Let's go ahead and fire her up. AC blows ice cold. I'm gonna go ahead and turn that off for now. I already know that works because I drove it. Horn good. Left turn signal, right turn signal. Mileage reads 80,976. Wiper solid. Radio good. All the gauges work. You can see where the gas is, where everything's at. Let's get my seatbelt on so I don't forget. All the lights work. You can see it's on in the dash, but they do all work. Let's go ahead, take this girl for a little quick drive. I already drove this truck. I love this truck personally. Just because, like I said, it's been well maintained. The miles are low. She drives smooth. Hands off the wheel, she's tracking straight. Wheel is off just a little tiny bit, nothing that's noticeable. Sometimes that could happen just from doing that tire swap with them BF Goodrich's. Obviously, it's got those super aggressive mud tires. But as you can see, speedometer does work. Even doing like 20 or 30, they're not super loud tires though. Even though they are aggressive, there's not a crazy amount of road noise. And she just rides smooth. Like I said, we're floating, doing about 35. Hands off the wheel, she's tracking straight. No crazy bumps, suspension noises, anything. Nothing rattling inside the interior. Just a super smooth truck. Let me actually drop this down. We had a test drive on it earlier with a guy, and he had the steering wheel all the way up to the ceiling. Brakes are good. Again, drums in the rear, disc in the front, slotted and drilled rotors. Exhaust sounds nice and throaty as well. I believe it's the 5.3 in there, so you know, for this day and age, then obviously more than enough power to move this truck. All the windows work, as you see earlier. So like I said, she just floats down the street. Take you back to a time when, you know, trucks were kind of, even though this is luxurious with leather, it's still geared towards being a truck more than, you know, newer age trucks with all the air suspension, magnetic ride control and all of that. So you still got a nice truck ride, make you feel that too. So stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and get her on the rack. All right, we got the Tahoe up on the rack. Again, rear bumper looks solid, no cracks or anything. Underneath this car is gonna be immaculate. Got the spare tire. You can see the frame extensions, the hitch. Things nice and clean. We got drums in the rear. We got disc in the front. Gas tank is solid. No signs of any leaks or anything. Frame is perfectly straight. No rust, no patchwork. And then you kind of get a good view of all the body floors. This thing is super clean underneath. Just came off the test drive. No signs of leak from the oil or trans pan. Like I said, everything is super clean underneath. And then we got disc brakes up in the front along with slotted and drilled rotors. This thing is flawless. Front bumper underneath is nice and clean as well. No cracks, no paint chips or anything to point out. Coming along the passenger side, you can see these big BF Goodrich tires, all four corners. They are newer, so the tread is good at all of them. And then you kind of see those slotted and drilled rotors I was talking about. Sliding underneath, give you a better view of the pans and frame. Coming down the driver's side. Alright, now if you're interested in this Tahoe, make sure you give us a call, 256-801-4409. Check us out at Rolling Museums on the website and also on Instagram. As always, we appreciate you watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe below.